Hi guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I will show you how you could easily fix the camera of a Lenovo computer not working for you. So to begin, what you want to do, you want to open your browser. As a next step, you want to type download drivers Lenovo E14 and hit enter. You might have a different Lenovo computer, so make sure to enter the exact model. So if you have T420, type T420 and press enter. So make sure to enter the exact model of the Lenovo. So download drivers Lenovo, put your edition of the computer, and here these options will appear. So you want to click with the one showing the name of your computer, or you want simply to click on the Lenovo one and we will be able to locate back. As a next step, you want to select manual update. If you are not able to see your computer, just make sure that you are in PC support. So we're gonna type Lenovo PC support. Click on the official Lenovo website. Type the model of your computer. And select the correct generation. So for me it's this one. You can always check the box of your computer to know which one you have. Driver and software. This is for the people who couldn't find the page. So manual update, select drivers, and here we will look for camera and card reader. You can always select operating system to ease your task and click then camera. Here we want to download integrated camera driver. But first we need to check the dates. So for example here there is the first driver. The readme is only a document. So 19 May and again 19 May, 25 May, and here we have 25 November. So I will take the latest one, which is 25 November, and click download. As a next step, in your search bar type device manager. Click on the device manager. From the device manager you will see the camera installed there. So right click, select update driver, browse my computer for drivers, browse. You need to locate where the download has occurred. So we're gonna select the path and close it. We'll go back to our device manager and it was under download. So I'm trying to locate my file, this PC, data, download, and click OK. So you are just trying to locate the file where it's being saved. Make sure to select include subfolders and click next. If it says the best drivers for your device already installed, what you want to do, you want to type camera in your search bar and try to check if the camera is working. If it's still not working for you, so what we are going to do as a next step, close. So disable device, remove uninstalled device, uninstall. This should uninstall the driver of the camera. It will ask if you want to restart your computer. You can go ahead and restart your computer. And what we're gonna do for this stage, I will just say no for now. The camera has disappeared. So as a next step, I will go to the folder downloaded, and here we're going to double click or right click on the driver and run as administrator. Yes, we're gonna install it as an admin. Select the language and click OK. Click next. Accept the agreement. You can read through and then click next. Install and click next. Install. And here you will need to wait up to 1 minute as a maximum until the installation is completed. In our device manager we should see back the camera. So here we have this wizard appearing, integrated camera. Next. We'll need to wait. The operation actually took 30 seconds or 40 seconds, so now we have it here. It shows the camera. Click Finish and click Finish. You might be prompted to restart your computer so that the changes are taking effect. I will just click Check for changes. Normally, now it should detect my camera. So after you have installed the driver, just make sure to restart your computer. Go back to your search bar and type Device Manager. Check that the camera is appearing there. Normally it should appear again. Now what you will do, you will go to your search bar and type camera and click on it. Normally your camera should be working. I'm just covering mine with yellow paper now, but yours should be fully working. So in most cases, this was the problem, that the driver was outdated and an update was needed. Thank you guys for watching, and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.